Welcome to Short and channel. Short and dictation. Transcription number 454. Kailash Chandra debate on President's address. Ready? Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, the President in his address has referred to the various activities of the central government aiming at making Indian economy more self-reliant. He has referred to the 11th five-year plan as the most critical period in the national development of our country. He has expressed satisfaction that the work on the 11th plan with its longer perspective and bigger targets is making good progress. Sir, everybody will welcome a bigger plan undoubtedly, but in this connection, I would only refer to the review that has been published by the Planning Commission recently about the working of the plan during the last 3 years and the prospectus for the rest of the plan period. Anybody who has pursued this would naturally be anxious to know how this plan is going to be financed. There ought to be some light thrown on it. I will not go into the details. It has been stated there that the outlay of rupees 45,000 crores may be raised with difficulty, but while making this calculation, the extra expenditure that may be incurred on account of the defense requirements and the emoluments to be paid to the central government employees as a result of the acceptance of some of the recommendations of the pay commission and also on account of the recommendations that are under consideration by the government have not been taken into consideration. Bearing all this, they have said that with difficulty rupees 45,000 crores may be raised. It is undoubtedly true that we have been able to achieve within the last 8 years much more than what any other country could have achieved within such a short period. There is no doubt about it, and I am also certain that with the power projects yet to work with the undertakings in the public sector yet to produce results, the benefits of the plan will be realized more and more, but now the rose is yet to shed its fragrance. Now we are concerned with the thorns, and the whole difficulty is that the thrill of this revolution of 8 years of planning is not being felt by the people because they feel that their immediate needs are not being satisfied. I would in this connection refer to the analysis that is given in the review published by the Planning Commission. Full stop. 400 वर्ड्स आपके हैं 80 वर्ड पर मिनट. ओके, आप इसको टाइप कीजिए वर्ड में, नोटपैड में टाइप कीजिए और फिर वर्ड में जाके इसको मैच कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.